All right, guys, the question I know you've been dying to ask: why reviews? Why is there an entire section dedicated to talking about reviews? Why are you going to watch several videos of me talking about reviews? Because they're important for your book for two reasons. Now, let me give you those two reasons. The first reason, number one, it triggers Amazon's algorithms. Now, we can't know, as I've mentioned before, we don't know what those algorithms are, but we can make guesstimates as to their importance and how they work. When a book receives 3 or 4 good reviews, it's going to rise in the search rankings. It's going to show up higher on the also bought list. It's going to just be more visible to Amazon, and that's what we want. We want a book that is visible to Amazon. Amazon's triggers, there are automatic triggers that they put in place for book quality and those things. The algorithms, it will notice your book and it will rise that book in the rankings and put it in other good places on Amazon, and that's what we want. So reviews help in that regard. It's not the only factor, of course, but it is a good factor. Number two, it gives the book credibility. Not only does it give credibility so that it will rise in Amazon, but we also want the book to have credibility so that when people click on your book and they're looking at your book description and looking at all those things on your book's page, they see that there's this social proof, this credibility there for your book. Now, if your book doesn't have any reviews, it's very unlikely that someone is going to buy your book, only because they're going to get to your page and they're going to wonder, has anyone else bought this book? If they know things about Amazon, they may go down and look at the sales rank. If your sales rank is in the millions, chances are they're not going to pick up that book because it's not new, it's not exciting, it's not something other people have. Now, not everyone is like this, but even if you consider yourself a nonconformist like I do, and a lot of people out there do, we're still going to be affected by those things, whether we realize it or not. I'm not going to buy, even though I'm fine if I'm the only person reading a book, still, I'm not going to buy it if it doesn't have any reviews. So it's important to at least get a few reviews for credibility. The more, the better, especially if you start getting into the double digits on reviews. That's really what we're after. We'll talk more about how many reviewers and the whole process after that. But this is why. This is the main reason. And that, again, we want to get on the Amazon algorithms. We want to get on their good side. And we also want to give the book more credibility as well for people that are looking at the book and for Amazon as a whole.